Everybody's chasing the new AI trend, while a small group of people are quietly making fortunes going the exact opposite direction. Here is what I mean. There are these weird, almost embarrassing niches that nobody talks about, but they're packed with desperate buyers who pay anything to solve their problem. I'm talking about topics so unconventional that most marketers would laugh at them. But that's exactly why they work and why they are the easiest and laziest ways in 2026 to make money online. So let me share my screen and show you a way on how to discover these underground gold mines and how to build a real business around them. Alright guys, welcome back. Now, instead of us chasing the latest trend like dropshipping, Temu websites, or how to start your social media marketing agency, which is maybe it works but it's so saturated it is difficult to start, or the latest new trend, which is how to start an AI automation agency, again, profitable but very difficult to start because it's oversaturated. We're going to look at different trends. We're going to look at trends that nobody talks about and nobody's actually utilizing. And for that purpose, I'm going to use one of my favorite tools, which I've shown you in my other videos, which is called promotopics.com. This tool is going to allow any beginner to find a profitable niche, study it, and create a digital or physical product around this niche and start selling to eager people to buy. I mean, people who are having an issue that they want to solve and they're gonna try to buy anything to solve their issues. So I'm right here at the trending section in Promo Topics, and I'm going to start look for trends to get inspired. We have, what is that? Camera remote controls. We actually have a scale to see if people are actually searching for that, or people, let's see, to find one that are actually stop searching for it. It's declining, it's going down. So decluttering for busy professionals. This is actually pretty good. Look at this. This is a problem and an issue that I personally experience sometimes. But what we want to do from here is to pick a niche that is not saturated. So what we're going to do, camera backpack inserts, maybe not. Let's go back to the very bottom, and I'm going to let's select something that I can create a digital product around. Pattern making for fashion students. Oh, that's very underground. Nobody talks about this. So from here, what I'm going to do, actually, I really like this. Searches for this are stable. And what we're going to do, I'm going to click validate this button. I can actually study it and see what is the problem these people experience, how we can solve it, what kind of products we can create, and how we can sell them. So this is how we can make money. So we can see the pattern making for fashion students niche is stable with consistent market demand. Search volume is decent. All right. Now, I'm going to scroll down. Here I can see some earning potentials. What I want to see is actual affiliate offers, because not only I can create a product around this niche, but this tool gives me affiliate offers. So in other words, I can find other people's offers to promote instead of me spending time creating my own product or offer. So I can actually find other products to promote, and I can study this. So digital pattern making software subscription. Ooh, this is good. And it gives me $50 per sale. And it's a monthly subscription. So once I make a sale, I'm going to be getting $50 a month. Not only now that I have found a product, I have found a niche, but if I scroll down, I can see active ads. I can now understand how other people are promoting these very same products. So I can copy what already works. Not copy it word by word, but I can copy a system, a blueprint. I can study it. Let's see. Do they have a software here? SP1 student pack, complete pack for every fashion. They don't have a software in these ads, but they have patterning for fashion designers. So let's copy the shopping link, open a new tab, paste it right here. And I'm going to open this on a new tab and see this is a-books. This is a book, by the way. Okay, I'm not quite interested in this, but you see the magic. So next thing what we can see is the AI strategy suggestion. If I scroll to the very top, I can see this, your 4-week action plan. The tool gives me detailed roadmap with complete steps I can follow and complete. So let's see. Week 1, 6 tasks. Set up your YouTube channel, Instagram business profile, TikTok business account, and Pinterest business account. Yes, this is not a get quick rich scheme. you need to put some work in the beginning. So you need to set up some accounts, Instagram accounts, TikTok accounts, etc. All right, this is week number 1. We have week number 2, publish, proceed, and promote lead magnets, create lead magnets, etc. We have week 3 and week 4. In other words, in the full month, in the whole month, we can be up and running with a business. If you don't like your 4-week action plan, in that case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll to the very bottom and I'm going to say send to workflow. See this button? When I click it, it's going to send this niche to my workflow. Oh, but I already have a workflow. So I've been experimenting. So that's my niche. And workflow is basically I can attach a bunch of modules to an AI chat, and it's amazing. You're going to see why. So here I've been experimenting, as you can see, with this workflow. This is my niche that I discovered earlier today, which is a portable resistance bands, and I've been hooking up some websites and voiceovers, etc. So what we want to do, actually, I'm going to start a new project from here. Click the new workflow. There we go. I'm going to hit save. I'm going to say this is for pattern fashion students. Okay, hit save. And now I'm going to go back to the validate page where I just validated the patterns. And I'm going to click again, send to workflow. And now we have this is the niche with the patterns, the fashion patterns. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to attach an AI chatbot right here. And I'm going to attach a voice. So I'm going to bring a voice and I'm going to open the voice and I'm going to say something to the chat. You're now my business advisor. I'm a complete beginner when it comes to making money online. I just found this niche that I have attached here at the top. Please search the niche or study the niche and advise me step by step on how I can create digital products around this niche and start selling them step by step, please. And consider that I'm complete beginner. Boom. Hit that. So now this is transcribing my voice. While this is transcribing the voice, I'm going to attach the niche to the actual chat. Boom. And I'm going to attach now the voice to the actual chat. Boom. And as you can see here, we have 2 sources connected already. So I'm going to move these. But that's not all, because now I want to add more sources. As you can see, we can add more sources. And why we want to add more sources? Well, simply because we want to study the competition. We want to study the entire web about this specific niche. And by the way, keep in mind, you can use any niche, but I just gave you this one as an example. So what I'm going to do, go back here with this arrow. I forgot to click save anyways. And I'm going to go to the validate again page, because remember, we had active ads. So I want to study these active ads and I want to go to the actual Google links, because these are real ads that they're promoting whatever. So I want to go to, let's say this one, copy the link, paste it on a new tab. Let's go to the actual website from this ad, and this is the website. They're selling these patterns, but what I want to do, I want to highlight the URL, copy it, go back to the promo topics and open the workflow, and this time bring a website node. There we go. Bring a website. I'm going to simply paste the website I just copied here. Boom. Let's bring that. So it's now fetching the website. There we go. It's going to take all the content from this website and put it here. Let's see, student patterns making. Okay, this is good. Now I'm going to bring another node for another website. Why? Because I want to go back here to the niche validation and I want to open another website. So I'm going to open, let's say this one. Copy the URL, open the website on a new link, basic pattern skills. Open this on a new tab, paste it right here. Let's open the actual website by clicking here. Here's the website. I'm going to copy the website, go back to promo topics, but the workflow. And in here, I'm going to paste the new URL. So paste, fetch it. And again, you need to add these nodes to the chat. Boom, boom. Go to Google and type fashion pattern softwares. And I can find online software. So for example, let's see this one. Open on a new tab, this one, open a new tab. So these are going to be open here on a new tab, and this one here. Ooh, this is good. And what I'm going to do, just copy the URL, and you guessed it, I'm going to bring it back to promo topics with another website node. Paste it here, boom, fetch the website. Now it's fetching it. While this is fetching, let's go back to the other software, this one. And I'm doing this, guys, so I can have as much information, so let me bring another one, as possible, so I can create as better product as possible. Now, let's bring this like this. Okay, we have all of these nodes here. You have to connect them. Boom, boom. This is connected. Let's say this one, boom. So now we can see we have 6 sources connected. We have a bunch of competitors' websites. We have instruction here in the voice. We have the main website that we found, or actually these are Google ads. And we have, oops, the niche. This is our niche, which should stay here on top. This is our canvas. There we go. And now what we want to do, we want to start interacting with the AI chat, which, here it is, hold on. You can talk to it or you can type. So I'm going to say, based on the sources I attached to you, there are 6 sources, websites and niches. Can you craft me a complete business plan, step by step, on how I can start making money online, creating a digital product around this specific niche? Tell me what kind of product I can create, how can I create it, and then how can I promote it so I can make money in the next 30 days. This is your time frame. I need to make money in 30 days. So go ahead. And yep, here's my text. This is my voice. So I'm going to hit enter and boom. We can see the sources. We can see the text. And now it's thinking. So guys, this is going to give me a complete business blueprint. You see, business plan, rapid digital product launch for fashion pattern making. Phase 1, niche research and validation. We've already done that. Deep dive into the current, it gave me a lot of things. Week 1, course completion and marketing assets, content creation, foundation and outline. So it gives me everything. And by the way, by the very end, you can actually start asking to expand on any of these. And if you go back to, let's say, the trending section, you can ask the tool to create you all the graphics. For example, the actual mock-up for the course, the ebook if you're creating an ebook, or layout of a website. So for example, I can say generate a logo for this niche, or I can even ask it to design a Facebook ad, or create, let's ask it to design, actually create a digital product ebook cover. This is what we want. Boom, I click that button, so it's now generating it. Create a digital product ebook cover. So guys, Promo Topics is basically a business in a box. It's actually, you find a niche, you validate the niche, you research the niche or the topic, then you create, let's see, it's done. Pattern making for fashion. Hold on, I need to expand this. Boom. That's not bad, it's very generic. You can tweak this prompt. You can ask it to make it more, make the image more vivid and attention grabbing. Let's hit enter. Okay, now this one is better. Okay, this is getting better and better. So obviously with AI, you have to play around, tweak it, change your prompts, and it's gonna get better and better and better. So yeah, that's about it. I can actually switch to light and dark mode here, but there are more things. You have AI assistant here. I haven't covered this one. You have the Discover tab. This is very powerful. The Discover tab is actually one of the best things about this too. So I'm gonna make another video. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to create a video just for the Discover tab, because it's very powerful. Comment down below with the word Discover and I'll do it. Other than that, watch my other videos if you want to see how other features of this tool work. And I'll see you in my next video. Hope I have been helpful. Cheers.